Hello everyone, today I am going to share with you how to solve this puzzle step by step. So let's get started. Step 1. First, we need to match the left side icon with the correct one on the right side. Secondly, we must ensure that the matched icon's bucket is filled with liquid compared to others. Now I see an icon on the left side. We'll match this icon with the ones on the right side and check if its bucket is completely filled with liquid. Step 2. We have completed the first step. Now in the second step, we see an umbrella icon. We need to match the umbrella icon with the correct one on the right side. We see an umbrella icon but its bucket is not fully filled with liquid. So we need to keep searching. Finally, we found the umbrella where the bucket is completely full. In the third step, we have an icon, but I'm not sure about its name. If you know it, please let me know in the comments. We'll follow the same method as before, searching for the correct match. And there it is. We found the bucket that is completely filled with liquid. Step 4. Now in the fourth step, we see a binocular icon. Again, we will use the same matching process. Finally, we have completed the last step. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel.